I request all Bethel members to please listen carefully to this announcement. This is about given the relaxations by the government for worship in religious places, there are numerous restrictions. And if we have to abide by all of that, then your cooperation is the most crucial. Even as we enter the church, we have to maintain social distance at the gate. And at the gate, we have to check the temperature. Then you need to sanitize your hands. Always wear your mask even while you're entering the church and also while you participate in the service. Then you will go back maintaining social distance. We cannot shake hands even while we are outside the gate or even in the church premises or during the time of service. With so many restrictions and with a huge congregation like ours, we cannot just have our regular services the way we had in the past. But since God has given us this opportunity to be able to come and worship, this is just not this coming Sunday. If we are able to abide by all the rules and are responsible enough to set an example to the entire community that is around the church, because we're in the middle of houses. If any positive case from any one of the church members and if they have attended the church, then the church premises will be sealed. I don't know for how long. And the entire area will be cordoned off. So we will be keeping so many other families in so much of discomfort. And if people are in groups outside the church waiting to get inside, media is so active. One picture by somebody and it is posted, and there will be numerous problems. More than anything else, disgrace to the name of God. This is the right time for us to set the best example for the community around, for other churches, that we are able to manage keeping all these instructions and adhering to the government, because there will be government inspection. There will be police that will come and oversee, and above that, media is actively looking at it. So we want to do 3 trial services. These are not regular services. I am telling with folded hands, these are just trial services. We've been used to worshipping online for 12 weeks now. So it's absolutely fine if you are not able to attend. So I am not encouraging, this is the first time. Always I've been telling, come and participate. First time as a God's representative, as the pastor of Bethel, I am requesting all of you to not come to church, but be at home and worship. But if you still have a desire to come, if you are above 60 years, you will not be allowed. If you have children below 10 years, they will not be allowed. That means you also cannot come bringing your children along. If you have cold or cough or mild fever, it will come out during temperature check and you will not be allowed. So please, if you are in these categories, we will unfortunately have to say no at the gate. And that will be uncomfortable for all volunteers. Don't argue with them. So what is the mechanism that we've thought of? Morning, we will have 2 Telugu services. But if you understand English, I only request you, just please come to the English service, which will be at 6 o'clock in the evening, 6 to 7:30. But then you will get a link through an SMS. If I'm sure if you're watching this video, that means you are in our database and you've got this video link. So you will get an SMS and you just need to click on that link. There are few details, very simple. Your name, your mobile number, the service that you're attending, and the number of people, and submit. We will go through, because the accommodation is only 225 seats per service. 225 for first service, 225 for second service, which are in Telugu, and 225 for the English service. So if there are more than 225 registrations, This computer system will pick up 225 numbers randomly, and we will send you a confirmation message. If you receive a confirmation message, please bring that confirmation message, that is that SMS, and show it at the gate, and then you will be allowed, after temperature check, sanitization, and then wearing masks and all of this. So this is a huge task. Please cooperate with us, and come only if you get an SMS. But as much as possible, stay at home and be a part of it. This is just for this Sunday. Based on how we are able to manage, we will evolve, and we will try to accommodate more people in the coming services by doing more services or any other way to accommodate. So just bear with us this few Sundays as much as possible. Register, and if you get a confirmation, there is no doubt, if you show the confirmation message, you will be allowed inside. But cooperate with us. I am requesting with folded hands. May we set an example to the community around. Just remember Noah. After the flood was over and the ark went and rested on the mount, Noah and his family and all the animals didn't come out at one time. They actually waited for close to 5 months. Noah sent a dove. The dove came back. So Noah waited for 7 days. Then he sent, and the dove came back with a leaf. Then again 7 days. Then he sent out the dove. It didn't come back. That is when God opens the door, and the family and everybody came out. So that means to say we need to observe week after week, and then slowly adapt to this new way of worshiping God. I'm sure you will cooperate. Let us be the best children of God in this community that God has placed us. Wait for the link, and the registrations will be open only till Thursday night. So you have to register by the end of Thursday. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, message us on 733-733-5571. Nobody will pick up the call, but we will get back to you. The gate will be open 30 minutes before. So English service starts at 6 o'clock. 30 minutes earlier, stand in a line, maintain social distance, and 15 minutes past 6 o'clock, the service time. So the window is 45 minutes, after which the gates will be closed. So there is a lot that we have thought about. Still, it is going to be new for us. Let us honor God, even in this new way of gathering and worshiping Him. God bless you.